restricted ankle mobility cause the ACL injury? Hi, I'm Dr. Dhruvi Gandhi, sports physiotherapist. In today's video, we'll discuss about how restricted ankle mobility will leads to an ACL injury. So, what is the ankle mobility? So, ankle mobility refers to the motion that is available in the ankle joint. So, there are basically two types of motion that is available in the ankle. First is the plantar flexion and second is the dorsiflexion. Why we need to focus on ankle mobility? Because in normal day-to-day activity like squat down to pick something up from the floor or driving a car, tie a shoelace, this all activity require a full ankle mobility. Apart from this day-to-day activity, ankle mobility is a crucial component in an athlete, particularly those athletes who are engaging in the sports like sports that involve running, cutting, jumping, landing and pivoting maneuver. There is a phenomenon called the dynamic knee valgus in which your knee is pointing inward while landing or jumping. The dynamic knee valgus is the most common cause of non-contact types of ACL injuries. When the ankle mobility is restricted, your knee is not pushing over the toes and also the amount of knee flexion will decrease. This all phenomena will lead to the ACL injury. So if we want to decrease the risk of ACL injury, targeting the limited ankle dorsiflexion range of motion is a fruitful for the athlete. Which are the factors that can contribute to the restricted ankle mobility? So the first factor is the ankle joint itself. So if there is a stiffness in the ankle joint, that will lead to the restricted ankle mobility. Second is the connective tissue, muscles, fascia like plantar fascia, tendo, Achilles tendon, calf muscles. So tightness of the calf muscle can also lead to the restricted ankle mobility. And third is the first MTP joint immobility. So if there is an alteration in the biomechanics, midfoot and hindfoot biomechanics, that can also contribute to the ankle immobility. How you self-assess the ankle mobility and which are the exercises that you should do if you have a restricted ankle mobility. So stay tuned for further updates and further exercises. Thank you.